We'll guide you through how to use Zapier examples to automate your workflows effortlessly. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Zapier website and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the dashboard. From here, you can begin creating a new Zap by clicking on the Create Zap button at the top right. Now, you'll need to choose the apps you want to connect. Let's say you want to automate the process of adding new Gmail emails to a Google Sheets document. In the Trigger app, search for Gmail and select it. Then, you'll have to choose the trigger event, like New Email. Once you've done that, connect your Gmail account to Zapier by following the prompts and clicking Continue. Next, set up the trigger by specifying which emails should activate the Zap, such as those with a specific label or from a specific sender. Once configured, click Continue to test the trigger. Zapier will fetch a sample email to ensure everything is working correctly. Next, it's time to set up the Action app. Search for Google Sheets and select it. Choose the action event, like Create Spreadsheet Row, and connect your Google Sheets account. Then, you'll need to select the specific spreadsheet and worksheet where you want the data to go. Map the data from the email to the corresponding columns in the Google Sheet, ensuring everything aligns properly. Once you've set this up, click Continue, and test the action to make sure the data appears as expected. If everything looks good, you can rename your Zap and turn IT on by toggling the switch at the top. Now, every time you receive a new email matching your criteria, the data will automatically populate your Google Sheet. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.